Ian here from Funner Computer. This is the very basic tutorial for Gamefroot. We need an internet connection and an up-to-date browser and a mouse. This site was not built for touchscreens, unfortunately. First, we go to gamefroot.com and we click on Make Games. This will bring us to a login screen. I'm going to log in with my own account, but you should of course have your own so that you can save your game. We're going to click on blank game and add game object and then show character creator. This is the fun part. Alright, so we're going to have a face, of course, and some eyes, and well, I think we should have a mouth, don't you? Maybe some eyebrows and hair. Okay, and maybe a hat, and definitely a body. And let's wear clothes today. No capes. And maybe we should have pants today. And shoes. And good. Okay, I'm happy with this. I can click on Save Character, and this character will be added to our game right over here. Fantastic. Now we need some other stuff. We're going to click on Marketplace and scroll down to the Gamefroot Classic Pack. Click on that. Click on Add to your game. And there they are. All of our resources. Next thing, let's take a look at the layers over here. This layer is background. Anything we add to the game while background is selected is going to be added to the background layer. So we go down to backgrounds and let's select a background. We can add that anywhere here. It really doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be precise. Oh, and if you want to support Gamefroot, I highly recommend, but for now we're just going to move that out of the way. Okay, the background is here. We can continue. We're going to add a layer, and this is going to be new tile map. So when you're on tile map, you'll see the grid, and we can add things to the grid. These are going to be platforms and blocks and things like that. So let's click on some terrain. Using your mouse, you can drag or click and create some platforms. Now it's okay that the background does not extend all the way to the bottom. You'll see the background is going to scroll with the camera and it'll always be in view, so we're good. Okay, the background goes on the background layer. The tiles, the blocks, things that cannot be moved through go on the tile map. But we need another layer, so we're going to click on this, new layer, and we're going to triple click on this and call it everything else. This is the everything else layer. If it's not background and it's not a tile, everything else goes on here, including our player. So we can select our player, position her right there. Okay, now she's not going to do anything. She's not going to move because she doesn't have a script. Look at this up here, this puzzle piece. It's white and there's nothing in there except these little symbols. But because it's white, it means there are no scripts. So we're going to go over to the scripts. We're going to select the classic platform player. We're going to click on her, and look at this, it turns green. That means that a script has been applied. Now we can actually play our game. That's fast. Boom, there she is. We can use the arrow keys up jumps, left and right moves, down. Woo, boom. There's our other platform that was below the background. Yay. To save our game, we go to File and Save Game. You have to enter a name for the game, and Ian's game, and then save. And that's it. Thanks for listening.